Want AI-powered help in Windsurf AI? Let's enable it in few seconds. First, open Windsurf AI and navigate to your dashboard. Here at the left side of the screen, you can see the extension icon. Tap on it. Here you can search for any AI assistant you want to enable. Once you have searched and find the AI assistant, tap on it to install it. Now, once installed, tap on Enable. Once enabled, AI will start assisting you in real time, offering insights and automation features to boost your productivity. If AI assistant is not working, check your internet connection or update the app to the latest version. How do you plan to use AI in Windsurf? Let us know in the comments. Now you are ready to supercharge your projects with AI. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.